Good morning. We're AI Squared. We're glad to be here. I'm Michelle Bonat, CTO.
I'm Alvin McClurkin, COO.
And I'm Benjamin Harvey, the founder and CEO of AI Squared. So today we're going to showcase the AI Squared platform and how we've been able to help organizations reduce the time to integrate AI into currently existing applications from about 8 months to about 8 hours. So we're currently solving for data migration and data transformation pains for organizations at the first mile of that journey, but we're also helping organizations with AI integration and AI adoption pains for organizations at that last mile of the AI journey. We're also providing additional value by increasing ROI, decreasing risk, and lowering costs. As former Chief of Operations Data Science of the National Security Agency, I've seen firsthand why it was so important to help organizations accelerate how fast they were integrating AI into mission-critical applications that could really help support the intelligence community analysts and the military warfighter. We were funded by New Enterprise Associates in 2021, and we're currently supporting community-level financial organizations as well as Fortune 100 financial services institutions.
So we're going to role play here. I'm a financial advisor for FinXYZ, who spends most of my time in a CRM tool, in this case, Microsoft Dynamics. So this is how I start my day. Usually, long list of names that have to make actions or decisions of what should I focus on, who should I call, what should I say. Currently, I have to jump from application to application just to figure out that, or just to even get the next best action. So with AI Squared, that pain is eliminated. Keep in mind, I'm still in Microsoft Dynamics CRM tool, so I'm going to show you how and where the magic happens.
This is where we show you the have a higher ROI part.
So AI Squared Platforms comes with a powerful browser extension to the right of the URL, right here where our logo is. And also, as you can notice, by each name on this list, there's blank space. So with our extension, we're able to run any machine learning model internally or externally developed. So I'll click into that extension, and as you see, a window will pop up with multiple machine learning model cards that's in here that's available only to me based off my user permission set. So for this particular use case, I'm going to run the next best action model. So I'll scroll down the list, and I'll hit this play button. So I'll hit the play button for it to run. And as you can see, in real time, we're pulling the information from that model and injecting it directly into the Microsoft Dynamics tool, CRM. Where that blank space was before, we now have customizable icons, in this case, these blue stars. So now I can just scroll down the long list of names. I can get the next best action for each user or each prospect to see what should I offer them, recommend them for turning that prospect into a customer. If I want to get a little more granular, I want more information about a prospect, I'll just click into their profile. In this case, I'll go into Alice Allison. So I'll stop this model, and what you will see is when I hit stop, Microsoft Dynamics will return back to its original state. Those blue icons will go away. So now I'm into Alice Allison's customer profile, generic CRM tool, contact information, notes, just generally what you will see in the Microsoft Dynamics, the Salesforce, or whatever you're using. So in this case, I want to grab a little bit more information, granular, so I'll run a different model this time for a sales opportunity score. So I'll go back to our widget or our plugin extension here, and I'll run the sales opportunity score model. Again, by hitting play, as you see real time, I'm injecting right now into Microsoft Dynamics information that is more contextual. These are pulling from 3 different models. Here now it's more actionable information that is can give me pertinent information about, for example, what's the likelihood of turning Alice into a customer from a prospect is high. In this case, 80%. What are the top 3 core product recommendations that I should, or non-core? Web and event signals, where I can get implicit or explicit information about past history of her visits to her site. And all of this is happening in real time. And one more feature I do want to show you, with each model, what comes with our platform, is a real-time feedback loop in the bottom right-hand corner. Not too disruptive, so it's not blocking anything in the field of view. You click these feedback widgets, and we're able to, as an end user, I play a very important part in providing the performance, making sure that the model is relevant, timely, and actionable information.
And this is where we show you the lower the risk part.
So now I'll stop that model again, and I'll go back into the platform. But again, as I stop that model, Microsoft Dynamics returns back to its original state.
So Alvin, that looks great. So AI Squared empowers AI for your entire enterprise. And as an AI CTO at JP Morgan Chase, this is the platform I wish I had. We showed you one example of how in Microsoft Dynamics, the AI Squared extension can get you contextual information for sales and recommendations, but that's just scratched the surface. So help us understand your use case. And we're actually going to use our generative AI right in our platform to give you an offer at the conference. So let's go with that. So if you want to do a free POC on AI Squared, and you schedule at the conference with a business sponsor, we'll talk about your use case. Thank you very much.